So hi guys, good morning. And it's Saturday, April the 20th. May eyebags ako. May eyebags ko. Alright, so last night, nanood po tayo ng Regine Rocks, the repeat concert at the MOA Arena. And today, we're about to watch the Eat Bulaga. So, pupunta po tayo ng TV5 sa Mandaluyong to watch the said show, the Philippines' longest noontime variety show, Eat Bulaga. See ya! So, I'm about to leave the hotel na. Mag-MRT tayo and then bababa ako ng Guadalupe or the Boni station na lang instead. And then later, update ko kayo once I'll be there sa TV5. So alright guys, I'm here already at Mandaluyong. Dito tayo ngayon sa Macdo Reliance branch. And a few minutes or few steps away lang po dito from TV5 Media Center. And most likely at around or before 9 AM, babalik na ako dun sa gate 1 para for the, orientation and everything, because 9 AM yung call time natin for Eat Bulaga. Right, so update lang ako later. Dito na po tayo sa gate 1 ng TV5.
Pangit ito sama na sama pa. O sige na.
Makita pa na ako. Pareho tayo.
You gotta get clear, my friend. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my love,
Mother Magenta, pinapunta ko ng Magenta, may sakit.
Pressy!
Ang pangalan ko po ay Pressy.
Pressy!